Hey everybody, I'm Desiree, and this is Des on the Fly. It's my birthday, and I wanted to catch one of the bucket list fish that I had been dreaming about for years, bonefish. So after lots of research, I decided that I was off to Belize. Before we get into it, I just had two announcements. One, the P.O. box is up, so if you want to send me a letter or correspond with me, please drop me a line. I'll leave the address down below in the description. Two, the fly shop is up. So if you want handmade, good quality flies, reasonably priced, check it out. If you don't see something you like, because I just have some basic patterns up there, there's a way to message me, let me know what you're looking for, and we'll figure out something. I'm really excited to just make people flies. Without further ado, let's get to it. Guys, we made it. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. We're here at the airport, and we're headed to Belize. Let's go. Once we arrived, we got our rental golf cart and headed up to Bella Vista Resort. It was a great place to start our journey. The breakfast and the ceviche was really good here. The water quality isn't as good in the northeast part of the Caye as it is in the south. And that's sad. It's not as clear and there was a lot of garbage. But the people and Dakota, the resort dog, made up for it. So all day we've been driving around, our first full day here, and just exploring, just looking at things. It's so cool. One of the fly shops that we saw online actually ended up being the only one that was open so far today, and it's called Real Belize, and it was pretty awesome. Real Belize is owned by Lorianne Murphy. I had no idea that I was meeting a legend. She has been a huge voice in women's fly fishing and an amazing teacher and guide for over 35 years. The knowledge this woman has is awe-inspiring. She's the most down-to-earth person to talk to and so encouraging and kind. I'm leaving her link down below if you guys are interested in checking her out. After spending some time in the north, we packed up all of our stuff and made the long trek down south, literally almost to the very end. On the way, we stopped at some grocery stores and some food stands to pick up provisions for the next few days. Tip, if you are going to be in the south part of Ambergris Caye and you're doing a DIY trip, make sure to look at what food options you have and think about it ahead of time. I really love to cook, so it was not a big deal to come home with fish and to cook dinner and plan breakfast and lunch for the next day, going out with Alex. But there is not a grocery store on every corner and a fruit stand all the time available like there is in the north. So think ahead. Good morning from the beautiful south part of Ambergris Caye. Ambergris Caye. Not gonna lie, yesterday we did actually go out with our guide for the first time. I wanted a day alone. I wanted to try to improve my casting. When you learn how to fly cast from YouTube, there are gaps. We went out with the Blue Bonefish fly shop, Blue Bonefish Lodge guys. They're wonderful. Today we're gonna go out again. We're targeting bonefish, permit, and tarpon. Hopefully bonefish and tarpon. Permit's a little far away for me, but if we see one, you never know. The shot's a shot, right? The flats are beautiful. Let's go.
Strip it in. Wait, no, he's following. Strip. Let him run. Tip up, tip up. Nice, girl. Let go, let go. Nice. I think I got that. Let him run. Yeah, let him run. That's a big one. Yeah, keep backing up so we don't spook him. Yeah, he's gonna run again.
Oh no. Oh, that's fine. Yes, that is so pretty. Yeah, so cool. Our guide, Alex, the Silver King, he's working with Blue Bonefish Lodge, is an amazing guy. He's super nice, he's super fishy, and he's an amazing teacher and guide. He was not afraid to go the extra mile to improve our casting and to put us on fish. I'm going to leave a link below to Alex also, just because he's amazing. You should check him out. Our third guide day actually got canceled because of rain. Not just a little rain, like all day miserable rain, but it did give us a chance to explore the southern part of the Caye. As our last day of fishing was upon us, there was like this electric, excited energy. But at the same time, it was our most relaxed day, which was super cool. We'd gotten into a rhythm and genuinely enjoyed each other's company, and it was really easy to just go out and have fun. Our very first spot, I got broken off by something big, and Annie ended up catching this monster jack.
Where? Oh yeah, I see the swirl.
She was literally exhausted by the time she got this thing in, and we had to pick up anchor and chase it down just to get it to the boat. Okay, under there. There you go. Good job, Bee. Look at you.
Nice.
After that, we headed back to the backcountry to see if we could find something big.
Got him. Let him run, let him run, let him run. Let him run, let him run. Let go, let go, let go, let him run. Keep it high, keep it high. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. You're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Here, just go high, just go high.
It's on the...
Where?
It's on the... There you go. It was on the pole.
Fucking sick. Okay, I gotta get away from these mangroves. Let it run, okay?
Okay.
I gotta go. That was fucking sick, girl. That was sick.
You having fun, Des?
Yeah. These snook are a lot better than our snook, that's for sure.
You got him though. Great job, man. Look how far. Big fish too. Okay, let's go. Let's go. That's a good picture right there, like that, see? So take a couple and then...
I'm getting video and then
She's
shots.
So pretty. Once I had gotten my personal best snook on the fly, we headed back out to the flats and had a blast catching bonefish the rest of the day.
Now you're real. I'm tired of his shit.
Yep.
Don't pull with him though, don't pull with him, yeah. Let go? Yeah, that's why, that's exactly why. Trouble, trouble! The other way? The other way? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try to land this one so that we can take pictures and stuff.
I highly recommend if you fly fish and you want to go catch bonefish, permit, tarpon, and you don't want to do a DIY trip, to check out Real Belize or the Blue Bonefish Lodge. Both are really amazing. They're so friendly and easy to work with, and they're just so darn nice. If you are going to do a DIY trip, which is an awesome option, there are so many different fishing opportunities, whether it's just a day guide or taking yourself out to the shore. Just watch out where you're wading, because sometimes you're just going to sink up to your knees in the sand. Think about your food and think about your transportation. And there's so many nice people there that can help you get organized and figure out things and answer questions. Actually, our host for our Airbnb was super helpful and helped us organize our golf cart and gave us food recommendations. Her and her family are amazing. They actually hung out with us the last night and sat around and shot the breeze, and it was one of the most memorable nights of the trip. Either way you decide to go, Belize is an awesome place to visit. Ambergris Caye, the people were so nice, and it was beautiful. Get off the island, get out onto the flats, and have a great time. Please let me know if this was helpful and if you're going to end up taking a trip there. I'm so interested to see what other people end up doing and their experiences. So drop me a line below or send me something to the P.O. Box. Have a great day, guys.